at the shop, and today's one of the most exciting videos I've ever done because I'm gonna do a dream bike build of a bike that I've been looking for and observing and dreaming for quite a while. I have this thing for European bikes with long tradition, that's especially Italian bikes, the Villier, and of course, Colnago. I think they have great tradition and it's just beautiful bikes and how they're made. And so I'm super excited to share that we're gonna have them in the shop. And the first frame I ordered was this one. It's a C68 Colnago. And the special thing of this frame is that a lot of frames today are made in Taiwan and China, but this one is made in-house inside Colnago's factory in Italy. So it's built, made, and painted in Colnago's factory. So the finish of this bike frame is just amazing. It's beautiful. I've been building some bikes lately, but this one is just a dream bike. So it's a very special frame and I'm super excited to build this one. Cool feature, it comes with ceramic bearings, and a lot of manufacturers have been doing this on the headset because today you have a lot of internal cables and you don't want to have to replace these headset bearings because you have to disconnect the hydraulic brakes lines and it's a lot of work. So with a ceramic bearing, it will last you for a long time, so you don't have to service as often. Also, this bike comes with an NFT, like a seal on the frame, so you can register on Colnago's website. So it comes with this card over here, and then you can register your Colnago and it's yours, it's safe, and if in the future you want to sell it, you can transfer your bike. So super excited. Let's see the components I'm going to put on this one. So on this bike, we're gonna put a Colnago CC.01 bar stem, carbon bar stem from Colnago. It has a nice feature on the headset. I will show that later. The group set, it's gonna be the SRAM Red Axis E-Tap with the crank set also from SRAM Red, 4835, cassette 1033. Saddle, I'm gonna put the Physique adaptive saddle, 3D printed saddle. As the detail and finish, I'm gonna use the Berg tape that I love, and with the mosaic stealth pattern. I think it's gonna look super cool. And the wheels, I'm gonna use the Vision 55. This is the DBSC 55, tubeless ready with Grand Prix tires. All right, so let's build this bike. So, what do you think? Man, this is really nice. Like, I knew it was gonna be a beautiful bike, but man, look at this. It's like, when you see it on their website, the color, the green and the gold, it doesn't look as nice, you know, as in like here. It's just beautiful. I hope that you can notice this, but it's just beautiful, these colors. And what makes it really special, this Italian flag colors here, made in Italy, so just beautiful. The SRAM red makes it like everything that you put a SRAM red, of course it's gonna look amazing and super cool. I didn't have tubeless tires, for somehow everybody wants now a 28 millimeter tubeless tire, so it's been kind of hard to find, and it would take a little time to get here, so before the build, so I just put with regular tubes, but probably I'll put tubeless tires on these wheels. This bike is, I just weighed it, it's about 7.5 kilos. These wheels are not the lightest wheels. If you put the pedals, it will go a little more, but just beautiful. All the cables integrated, really slick, really nice. For sure, a super fast bike. Love the result. What do you guys think? Let me know, and I hope this video was very satisfying to watch. And guys, I'm proud of this one, and I can't wait to build another one. So I'll see you on our next ride experience. Ciao.